161 species in genus Manihot. Manihot, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of botany is a fascinating one, filled with diverse and intriguing plant life. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always eager to delve deeper into the intricacies of different genera, and today, I'm excited to explore the genus Manihot with you. Manihot is a genus of flowering plants in the spurge family, Euphorbiaceae. This genus boasts a diverse array of species, primarily woody shrubs and trees, though a few herbaceous plants are also included. The most famous member of this genus is undoubtedly Manihot esculenta, more commonly known as cassava. This starchy root crop is a staple food for millions of people across the globe, particularly in tropical regions. A closer look at Manihot. Manihot species are native to the Americas, with a distribution spanning from the southwestern United States all the way down to Argentina. These plants thrive in warm climates and exhibit a remarkable ability to tolerate drought conditions. They are characterized by their milky sap, which contains cyanogenic glycosides. While these compounds can be toxic if consumed in large quantities, traditional processing methods effectively remove them, rendering the cassava roots safe to eat. Notable species within the Manihot genus. The Manihot genus encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. Here are Manihot esculenta, cassava. This species is the most economically important member of the genus, cultivated for its starchy, edible roots. Cassava is a staple food in many tropical regions and is also used to produce tapioca and animal feed. Manihot grahamii, Graham's Manihot. This species is a fast-growing shrub native to South America. It is known for its ornamental value, with attractive lobed leaves and fragrant flowers. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Manihot. The Manihot genus, particularly cassava, plays a crucial role in global food security. This drought-tolerant crop thrives in regions where other staple crops struggle, providing a reliable source of carbohydrates for millions of people. In addition to its nutritional value, cassava also has industrial applications. It is used in the production of starch, flour, animal feed, and biofuel. Conservation efforts. While some Manihot species are widely cultivated, others face threats due to habitat loss and the impact of climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve the genetic diversity of this important genus. Researchers are working to identify and conserve wild relatives of cassava, which may hold valuable traits for improving crop yields and resilience. Looking ahead, the Manihot genus holds immense potential for future research and development. Scientists are exploring ways to enhance the nutritional content of cassava, develop new varieties with improved disease resistance, and utilize the plant's unique properties for various industrial applications. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating genus, we can unlock its full potential to contribute to a more sustainable and food-secure future. I hope this exploration of the Manihot genus has been informative and engaging. As we've seen, this diverse group of plants plays a vital role in our world, from providing sustenance to millions to offering potential solutions for various industrial challenges. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of botany and discover the wonders that await.